Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price movement broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price bounced very, very nicely. I mean, when you consider where it was not that long ago, and then you look at where it closed today, any rational person is going to say, okay, yeah, without question, the bulls definitely made some progress. They definitely showed some signs of strength. However, that does lead to the very rational question of, but is there any sort of true signs of strength there? Is there any sort of genuine power behind this price movement? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction? Because, yeah, in the past, as I've talked about in past videos, the chart has shown many signs of strength. There is a sign of strength, there is a sign of strength, and, the price has just, never followed through. But now the price has once again shown a very nice bounce. So is it going to get some sort of follow through? Is there some sort of true power behind this move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And the chart is going to help us because really answering this question, in my mind at least, revolves around a single point, and that's right here at 12 cents. Why is 12 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that if this is, the start of something bigger, if this bounce has genuine strength, well, it's going to keep on bouncing. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if there's true power behind this price movement, of course, if this is the start of something bigger, it's going to get bigger. It's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 12 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where the price has been for quite a bit. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this and then heads up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down here where it's hit a couple of times. You picture each one of these as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 12 cents. As far as levels of resistance, still all about the purple line right there. I say still because I've talked about this in past videos. But really breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority in my mind is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as those things are occurring, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So very nice move today. We'll see how this closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.